Today, we will talk about how to get a cat to come home at night. Let's have a look at the details. Nighttime is a dangerous time of day for cats. During the darkness, they're more likely to get into road traffic accidents or get lost. With all the other cats in the neighborhood also exploring at night, fights with cats are more likely. Plus, predators can be lurking in the darkness. In this video, we give you a tried and tested method for getting your cat home safely at night. Keep watching to discover our top tips. Confining a cat to a room at night isn't always recommended. Indeed, a better option is to train your cat to come back when it starts to get dark. The great news is that cats are highly intelligent, and getting them to come home isn't complex. It is nothing a little training can't solve. Training cats may take some time, but it is possible. Below are 4 simple steps you can try if you want to train your kitty. Be patient, work through the process, and you'll have a well-trained cat in no time. Step 1. Supervised walks. Going on supervised walks is a great start for you and your kitty. You can do this the traditional way with a leash and a harness, but we have all seen the videos of the cats flopping over because they have a harness on. You need to let your cat get used to the harness inside and use positive reinforcement. Perhaps give them a treat every time you put their harness on to help your kitty form positive associations. Once your cat is comfortable with the harness, it may even start associating it with going outside, which is exactly what you want. Start taking your kitty on short outdoor walks and let them explore the world while in your control. Step 2. Extend your walks. When you're ready to go a little farther from the house and spend a little more time outside, you can show your cat places they are safe to explore. Take them to all the areas you're happy for them to visit at night. This might include your garden, a nearby park, and places away from roads. You can also show them boundaries. If your yard has a fence and your cat shows interest in jumping over it, you can move away, giving them a calm rebuke to associate the fence with a negative tone. This can show them that the fence is off limits. With no fence, you can still do this within the boundaries of your yard. Only go as far as you want your cat to go. They may learn that they should only go that far with you. Step 3. Add a little freedom. Once you have explored the safe and dangerous areas outside your house, it's time to add a little freedom. When your cat is feeling comfortable, and you're feeling ready, let go of your cat's leash. Ideally, you should stay close to your cat and keep talking to them as you usually would. You should also give them treats and pick them up every so often to keep your routine going. This is also a chance for you to really set the boundaries of how far you want your cat to go. As you explore together, your cat may go to the sidewalk or attempt to jump over the fence. If this happens, here is how to regain control. 1. Tell your cat a gentle warning, no. 2. Encourage your cat back into the yard by gently pushing them or picking them up and returning them to the yard. 3. When they return to where they should be, give them a pet and a treat. 4. If your cat does not come to you or return to where you want them to be, take them inside immediately. And, Step 4. Time to go off leash. When you feel like your cat's got the hang of listening to you and sticking to the areas you've shown, it's time to try going off leash. In this stage, you'll still want your cat to wear a collar and a bell. Ensure that you remain strict. If your cat breaks the law and goes across the sidewalk, but doesn't respond to your call, take him inside and try again later. Eventually, your cat will be able to explore independently, and you can go back into the house for short periods. Just like in the other steps, you can gradually increase your cat's time outside alone. Make sure you always let them out before dinner time and always give them dinner when they come home at the appropriate time. With this training, your outdoor kitty will be home by dinner. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.